Hi students, you are scheduled for a virtual intermediate algebra course, and I wanted to make sure you understood how to access your virtual course. So the most important thing to know is that we will meet weekly, twice a week, at the scheduled time of your course. So make sure you look at your schedule, make sure that you're on time. We're going to meet via Blackboard Collaborate. So I wanted to show you where that is, just in case this is your first time accessing a Blackboard Ultra course and a virtual course. We're going to meet in Blackboard Collaborate. What I want you to do is join the session, click on Course Room. There you will see Blackboard Collaborate load up, and you should see the course name. You should see my name. And let's first go over some of the components of Blackboard Collaborate. If you go to the bottom right, you notice here there's a Collaborate panel where we can chat. So notice here, if I click on the little symbol with the two people there represented, notice that I'm the only person in the room right now, but once we meet, you'll see more names. But it's very important that you know how to chat. So if you want to ask a question, for example, for the most part, if you need to ask a question, you can chat here. Try to, for the most part, keep your audio on mute. Sometimes I do want to hear you speak. So once I ask you a question, I say share your audio. You will go down to the very bottom and share your audio. Also, in order to, if you want to send me a private chat, you could always click on this little arrow at the top, and you can find me, for example, right? You can find me in there and you can just chat with me. All right, so, or if you want to ask a question and maybe you're embarrassed to ask a question, maybe to everyone, you can always do that. To leave the session, all you'll need to do is go to the very top left. You'll click on, notice here before we leave the session that there's an option for you to use your phone for audio. Just in case you have audio issues, you can click that, and there's actually a dial-in number and a pin that you can use if you have trouble with your audio. To leave the session, notice at the very bottom left, it says leave session. It will always ask you how was the audio and video during your session, so you can rate it. And let's go back out to Blackboard Ultra. It will be a good idea, even before the first class, to go ahead and click on the little chevrons here. It's very important that you establish attendance the first week of class, since we are virtual. So what you're going to do is make sure that you read the syllabus. Also important that you go through the module where it says weekly assignments and take a look at everything under week 1, and go ahead and complete your course syllabus agreement wherever you see that located. So make sure you establish your attendance by completing some of the assignments for week 1. And I'll see you in class.